Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use clear formatting option, which is so useful tool on your LibreOffice writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a clear formatting option or tool on your LibreOffice writer? How to use this? So actually, I just going to change this font to a different font like this. Then just going to add some colors, just changing the color to green, and also I just going to make a strike and just make underline and just going to change this color to a purple. Then I just need to clear all the formatting. I just need to make it as is original. So instead of that turning off every options, you can just make it in a single click. So you just need to select the entire thing. You just need to change this to the original position. You just need to use the clear formatting option. Just right click here. Here you can find this option called clear direct formatting. It's a control M, or you can just use this icon on the top. Just click on the single click which goes to the original portion and original font size and original font. This is how you just use the clear formatting option on your LibreOffice site. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.